Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So back with my another video, and before starting my today's video, I really want to thank you all of you for your love and support that I'm getting to my channel. It's continuously getting increase my subscriber, so it means a lot to me. Thank you guys, really. I'm very thankful to all of you. Thank you so much for that. So let's get started with the today's video. So today I am going to get started with the course of Microsoft Azure Architect level, and we have one examination on Microsoft that is called AG303, is a replacement of the AG300. So now the new examination that is available to become a Microsoft Azure certified architect, you should clear the AG303 examination. And so in my upcoming videos I am going to cover all the topics related to AG303, so it will be a long playlist that I am going to make for you guys. And so please stay tuned and like and share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, so for basically you want if you want to clear this A303, then you have to cover a lot of topic like resource grow virtual machine storage, and so many topics are there that I will cover in my upcoming video. And so let's get started. So with this prep, before starting I would like to start and to learn the Azure. The best way is to do with the free trial. So what we get the free trial account, and what is a free trial account for Azure? So Azure basically provides you like Microsoft will provide you to get started with Azure, the free accounts. So the free account is like you will get, like you have to create your own account and you will get the 12 months services. So and in these services there are like 25 services which are always free for 12 months. Okay, and then you will get the credit of 14,500 credits. You will get it in rupees. It is this, like in dollar it is 200 something, and in rupees, Indian rupees, is this 14,500 credits. So this is for uh, 30 days. So it's like in 30 days it will be available for 30 days. Either you use your this much credit within 30 days, or you exceed the 30 days, like vice versa. So this credit will not be available. So this credit is available only for 30 days, or either you utilize this before 30 days also, it will get over. And if you continue using those services, then you will be paid. So make sure and be very careful that you are using only free credits. And if you want to still continue your services, then you should go for the subscription, like we have pay as you go subscription, the like basic subscription that you can opt for it. So yeah, so when you create your free account, you will ask to give your credit card number. So yeah, so because that, like if you exceed your limits of using the services, then it will be paid to your credit card. So be careful about those things. And but there are few services that are available for 12 months and which are free. So these are the services. Yeah, see which products are free for 12 months. So like these are the Linux virtual machine, Windows virtual minutes, and managed disk. So these are few services that you can check on Microsoft portal or Microsoft documentation, you can check it and the all list will be there. But be sure, like just like keep in mind that not all virtual machines are like in the free services. This is the type that it will be the virtual machine should fall into, otherwise it will be again charged. So be very particular and aware which services you are using of Microsoft and which are paid or which are free of cost, otherwise you guys will be charged for the your services. So if this is clear for you, for more details you can go to the Microsoft documentation. So now I quickly show you the guide for like the subscription that I have created for myself, and this is the job portal that I have created. And so this is the notification bar. So like whenever you do a deployment, see this is my credit score as of now, and I have used free, like I have used some services, that's why it's like mm, remaining is 14,489. And if you can see, click here to upgrade your pay as you go subscription. If you click on that, then it will you can move your subscription to pay as you go subscription. And this is your profile, and settings are there, and this is kind of dashboard. So dashboard is like you will get the few services that are very frequently used, or they have listed over here. But if you want to still search for other services, then you can search and you can create your services. Like if you want to create a function app, if you want to create a skill database, you want to create a virtual machine, then directly go and create the resource that you want to create. So for each of the resource I will go into the detail for my upcoming videos. So for this video, this is all I have, and for the next video I will tell you about the all different kind of subscriptions and the resource and resource groups, and I'll create all those resource groups also. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Bye. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye. Thanks.